How to uninstall Epic Games Launcher. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your Settings app. After you open it, you will land to this kind of interface. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of apps, open it. Now at the left corner you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of apps and features. Now in this page you will be able to find all the apps that are installed in your PC. Head towards the app Epic Games Launcher, click on it. With that you will get the option of uninstall, click on it. This app and its related data will be uninstalled, click on uninstall. You might get this kind of pop-up. Epic Games Launcher is currently running. If you do get this kind of pop-up, click on the bottom of your screen. Different options will appear, click on the option of Task Manager. Once you open your Task Manager, head towards the app Epic Games Launcher, click on it and then click on the option of In Tax. Once you do that, you will be good to go. Now you can click on this option of Retry. And with that, Epic Games Launcher will be uninstalled. Well, this is how you can easily uninstall Epic Games Launcher on your PC. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.